Well, I'm entering PMBO 2020 and my project is about drones. Most drones uses a brushless motor controlled by a EMS powered by lithium batteries. These drones uses high current and low voltage such as 11 or 14 volts depending on how many battery packs it uses. I try to do something different and this is my design that I created using Design Spark Mechanical. It will be almost completely 3D printed with PLA, which isn't the lightest material, but it will do. And this is the rotor, composed by two external fans that will rotate in opposite directions. I hope this will be enough to lift it. It will be powered by two pulse motors with high voltage and low current. The state will be in the center with the necessary circuit and capacitors, and of course the coils. I know a bunch of capacitors will have a very short run, but maybe a minute, but it will do. Later, I will try to use a Tesla coil to wireless transfer power to the drone. I know this transmission will most likely not be efficient and won't reach far, but it will be cool to keep the drone flying continuously. And that's it for now.